Isang mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat. Good day, everyone. Today, we will talk about a critical issue in the Philippines where many children doesn't get enough food, which is called the malnutrition. And this is a very serious issue in our whole country. When kids don't get enough food, it's called undernutrition. This means they are missing important things their body needs to grow strong and healthy. This is affecting many Filipino children in our country.
I'm here at the National Nutrition Council in Manila. People here are working hard to fix this problem. And we need to understand how big the problem is and what we can do to solve this.
As for the Philippines, surveys from 2025 show that almost 30% of Filipino children under 5 are stunted, meaning masyado silang pandak para sa edad nila. A chronic condition resulting from poor nutritional deficiency affects nearly 1/3 of our youngest population. Additionally, a concerning number of children are underweight, indicating acute undernutrition. Scientifically, stunting WHO standards, with those falling below 2 standard deviation classified as stunted, kaya importante talaga natutukan natin ito. You can see that some areas like Mindanao and Visayas have more children with undernutrition. Our 2020 data shows that these regions are particularly vulnerable, requiring targeted interventions. Kailangan talaga natin silang tulungan.
Aling Lena, maaari po ba kayo magkwento tungkol sa inyong buhay?
Mahirap ang buhay dito sa probinsya. Umaasa lang kami sa aming mga tanim. Pero madalas, hindi sapat ang ani. Kung minsan, kulang ang pagkain para sa aming mga anak. Malaking tulong talaga itong feeding program ng gobyerno.
This feeding program are important, pero we need to do more para matulungan ang mga pamilya magkaroon ng sapat na pagkain on their own.
That's right. The problem has many causes. Many families are poor. They can't even afford healthy food. Wala rin silang malinis na tubig. Hindi nakakapaningin sa doktor. And climate change is making it harder para magtanim. Study shows that inadequate intake of essential micronutrients such as iron, iodine, and vitamin A significantly impacts cognitive development and immune function in children. If we don't fix this problem, it will hurt our country's future. Kids who don't get enough food won't learn well and won't be able to help our country grow. Research indicates that childhood undernutrition can lead to a significant reduction in national GDP due to decreased productivity and increased healthcare products.
To work together, the government, local communities, charities, and business. We need to give kids the night food. Turuan ang mga tao na makaahon sa kahirapan. Health organization and UNICEF help us with guidelines and support. We also need to make sure na ang mga tao ay may malinis na tubig at magandang healthcare. The WHO recommends exclusive breastfeeding, talagang pinakamaganda para sa baby.
Helping our children get food is important para sa ating buong bansa. We need to make sure na bawat batang Pilipino ay may chance na lumaki ng healthy and malakas.
Thank you, Shahana. We all need to do our part para tulungan ang mga batang Pilipino at ang ating mga kababayan na makuha ang pagkain na kailangan nila. To keep you updated on this very important issue, Asahan at Sandigan ng Bayan. You stand!